Thanks for dropping into Waves and Craves. I'm your host, Missy, and I'm back at it. Even better with my nephew, Kai, behind the lens, and I'm so stoked because we're both foodies. And today we have the most amazing recipe for you. I'm gonna make my mango avocado ceviche, and it's so good and delicious. They should call it probably Yes Please Ceviche, because you won't be able to stop with just one bite. I promise, it is so delish. It's got a little mango, avocado, red onion, jalapeno. Even better, it's gonna set it off as a little local honey. You guys are gonna die, it's so good. There's really nothing better than surfing, smelling the sea, then preparing the ceviche and consuming all the fresh ocean flavors. It feels like a feast for all of your senses. I'm gonna mix this up now. I'm gonna add it to the fridge for about an hour. I'm gonna add my veggies and I'm gonna add a secret sauce that's gonna set it off. It's an old family recipe that I tweaked a little bit to make my own, but I think my dad will be proud. I like to say I come from a fishing background. I wasn't the fisherman, but Dad and my bro were, and with Dad's fishing and rod wrapping skills combined with what was considered wide open fishing back in the day in Oceanside, fish was plentiful and so was his ceviche. Delish.